Hello, Maxine here with Teak and I Treasures. Welcome to my studio. Today I wanted to do just a quick video. It's a flip through of a new journal that I just completed. This one is going to be sent to a friend, but it's an altered book. Which has significance for my friend, and I made the closure. I made just a little wrap around and a little buckle, and the front has got some fabric stamped items and a little bit of writing there, and the spine I reinforced with some tape. It's kind of like duct tape, only it's pretty. And as we open it up, I have this book's belong to little collage thing, and here is a little side tuck with a writing, a journaling card in it, and here we have a large coin envelope, and it is filled with journaling cards. A tag with a dangly, and these are beads that I made, not the little round ones, but these long ones. I made those. Here is a fun page with a pocket and some ephemera. Here's a little envelope that opens up and has a little piece of ephemera in there, and some journaling cards. Here is snippet paper clip, and attached is an envelope with some journaling cards in it. Faux postcards. I really like how that all comes together there. That's so cool. And then we have another little journaling card tucked into a little tuck space there. This is, like I said, this is an altered book. So I left pages in the book and just removed quite a lot of them, as you can see here. So it was a pretty thick book. I don't know how many pages there was altogether, but as you can see, I pared it down significantly. And yeah, so I got several pages glued together, so it makes for very strong single pages going through here, which is nice because then you can, you know, do a lot of decorating. Here is a pocket with just a little journaling spot there, and here is, this was fun. I got a little tiny buckle. I've had these in my stash for quite some time and never knew quite what to do with them until one day I realized, oh wait, that's a buckle. Where are those? Let's see if I could even find one to show you. I have no idea where I got these things, and I don't use them very often, but there it is. There. I don't know why it took me for so long to realize, oh, that's a buckle. You know, I've used some of these little hearts and stuff in places, but yeah, not a lot. I have, like I said, I have no idea where I got these. I've got them in several colors, and yeah. But I realized that, oh, that's a little buckle. So I ended up making a closure with this ribbon, and it opens up, and then inside we have a pocket and a large envelope, and we have some journaling card, a faux postcard on the inside. I mostly used one kit for this, plus some, I think it's Tim Holtz scrapbook pages. I don't know about this ribbon, whether using this ribbon for this was such a good plan. The ribbon is pretty tight in here, you know, as far as the size goes. And I'm not sure how well that's going to hold up. Here's another one of the beads that I made. Here's another little envelope and some little tags. And I made that into a tuck spot with another journaling spot there. The writing spot here with a little bit of stamping. Here's some more journaling cards and a backing, I believe. I'm not sure what scrapbook that's from. I don't think that's from Tim Holtz, but... And then I did a little collage here on the pocket. And here's another page I left. Well, a couple of them I left plain for writing or whatever a person wants to do. And another bead that I made. Here's a pocket, and it's just full of journaling cards that I made. These were all from my stash. I love this paper. Here's another some faux postcards. I really like this one that actually has some writing on it. I think that's cool. And here's another one, all, you know, great places to write things. Hidden paper clip that spans over two-sided paper clip type of thing. And on this side is another faux postcard and a piece of ephemera that I put on some craft paper and then ran through the sewing machine. Here's a little pocket. We made this pocket in a prior video that I had. I think it's the DIY 3 projects to put in your journals or something to that effect, and that was one of them. So you can make these in all different sizes. So this was a small one that has just a whole bunch of stuff in it tucked in there. They hold quite a bit, those pockets. Here is plain for writing, but I stamped it using a stamp I made. And I want to show you this. This is so much fun. But here's the stamp, and I carved that out myself. So, yeah, I was pretty happy with that. I like how that turned out. What do you think? What do you think? How did I do a good job on that? Here is a large tag that's been glued down. It's got some decorative elements, and again, it's just full of journaling cards and little tags. And another bead that I made. So I got about 4 of those on this journal. Here's some more that I left blank for the most part, but it has some neat writing spots. So here's a double envelope or double pocket that has a bag in there that I decorated. And this is paper that I think I had a video on this some time ago on making your own designer paper. So that's some of that paper that I made. I really loved how this turned out. I've been kind of hoarding it. Oh, and this tag is one that I made this. I can't remember what these are called. Yeah, I can't remember what these are called, but anyway, I made this middle part. That's not a stone, that's wax pellets. So I think I have videos on doing that. And here's a pocket and some of the fabric covered tags that we I had a video on a while back on fabric covered tags, and I sewed around these elements. Here's another tag. Has some collage on it, and an envelope, and some ephemera that I glued there. And that's the end of it. So yeah, thank you for watching and for looking through this journal with me. So that's how it looks from the side. It's got these pretty, I think these beads turned out pretty well. What do you think? I like them. Anyway, that's how it looks from the side. And anyway, thanks for joining me and taking a look-see through this journal. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're working on. And until the next time, take care of you, love each other, and I'll see you again. Bye.